So in my last vlog, I talked about video content and also creating daily contents. So this time around, I'm going through the kind of content that each business or service provider can start thinking of, especially if you don't have a very strong online presence, in the sense that you don't have that much content online. Yes, you're successful offline, but when you think about the current situation that we're in, then you need to start considering things you can also do online. Now, one of the businesses that I follow on Instagram did a wonderful post today on providing online services. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. If someone's already done it, I just need to encourage them, applaud them, and share it with the rest of the world. His name is Andrew Che, and he did a wonderful Instagram post, and I shared it on my story. Another friend of mine, a wonderful writer, content creator, Dr. G, she has some fantastic content on LinkedIn, and I will be sharing that as well. Just so you know, for every business type, there are fantastic contents you can put out for your ideal customer, right? Your customers needs to know you are thinking of them in this particular time, right? This is when they know they can trust you. This is when they know they have a friend. So think about the particular content for your business type and what you can offer your customers.